Hi everyone. With just a few weeks to go before Lamborghini's first hybrid super sports car makes its debut, the Italian firm is celebrating its renowned naturally aspirated V12 with the Invencible coupe and Autentica roadster. Two unique, one-off cars that highlight the marque's DNA and represent the very peak of Lamborghini's exclusive accent on personalization, by involving the customer from the very beginning to create truly bespoke models. The two unmistakable one-off cars were styled by Lamborghini Centro Stile as the quintessence of maximum creativity using the V12 platform, reflecting the design cues that have contributed to the company's iconic significance. The Invencible and Autentica are the very last cars to be produced by Lamborghini equipped with a 12-cylinder 6.5-liter engine mounted longitudinally in the rear before the transition to a hybrid era. Both are based on the long-lasting Aventador platform, which premiered 12 years ago with the original LP704. The final Lamborghini V12 powertrain delivers 769 horsepower and a maximum 720 Nm, 531 pounds-foot, of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute, mated to a 7-speed ISR gearbox, 4-wheel drive, and the Lamborghini dynamic steering system that controls all 4 wheels. Outside, both new cars share the same carbon fiber monocoque from the Aventador, produced in Sant'Agata Bolognese, along with full carbon bodywork that incorporates design and technologies successfully tested by Lamborghini in motorsport. The imposing bonnet reprises that of the Essenza SCV12, along with the pronounced front splitter complete with vertical struts designed to manage most efficiently ancient way. The hexagon, a well-known motif of modern Lamborghini design, is integrated harmoniously yet conspicuously into the distinctive visual elements of the car, starting with the striking front and rear light assembly highlighted by innovative hexagonal LED running lights. The Invencible coupe is characterized by the subtle contrast between the dominant shade of red and the carbon look elements enhanced by red flakes. The Autentica Roadster features bodywork in Grigio Titans with details in matte black and a giallo-og livery, a color repeated on the brake calipers as well as the main aerodynamic elements. Inside, the interior of both cars is dominated by clean lines, with a minimalist dashboard enhanced by hexagonal 3D printed air vents and no instrumentation on the console, to underline the lightness of the cabin and focus attention on pure driving enjoyment. The cockpit itself is framed in carbon fiber, with a digital readout featuring dedicated graphics for each car. The interior, in the same color as the bodywork, contrasts with the Rosso Alala leather and Nero Cosmos Alcantara, accentuated by personalized embroidery in Rosso Alala and Nero Ade. The dashboard features a Lamborghini logo in Rosso Efesto, the same color used for the gearshift paddles on the steering wheel. Lamborghini refrains from talking about how much money is charging for the two cars. However, logic tells us they cost well over the $500,000 asking price of an Ultimi. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us, like, comment and share. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video.